Please subscribe your favorite channel, Hindu Dharma Brahmandapadi Shri. Like and share our videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon button to receive notifications of our latest videos.
ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री शिवशंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्रीनाथ मस्तोबानाथ प्रसन्न ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री शिवशंभो राजा रामेश्वर महाराज उर्फ राजा भावनाथ प्रसन्न। ओम नमः शिवाय। जय देव जय काल भैरव, जय देव जय काल भैरव। भद्र केदारनाथाला उत्पन्न झाले, काळ भैरवनाथ नामे प्रसिद्ध झाले। जय देव जय काळ भैरव, जय देव जय काळ भैरव।
ॐ भूर्भुर्गव आदिशक्ति ब्रह्माण्डच्च दिव्यशक्तिप्राप्त्यर्थच्च परमेश्वराय नमेन। गायत्रीयं कालभैरव दिव्यशक्ति नमो शिवाय।
ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री सप्तशक्ती महाग्रंथ, ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री सप्तशक्ती महापंथ। सत्य हाच धर्म, जसा खवळलेला समुद्र, जसा पूर्ण आकाश, जसा सूर्य, तसा मी।
In the last episode, we saw
every thought to keep in heart like that. Every information is like to share one another. We have bought it from a common people, for the knowledgeable, for the pursuers, for the devotees. Introspective, revealing mysteries. The one who opened the storehouse of spiritual knowledge. Listen carefully to writers, philosophers and inspiration. Shri Bhau Maharaj Elias Rajaram Digambar Sonone's great Hindu holy book, Brahman Piri Shri Saptashakti Mahagrantha. All this used treasure will be gained from the hearing of Shri Saptashakti Mahagrantha as the universe.
events in the period before the beginning of the first period, 16,34,000 years. Shiv Brahmand invisible power is a completely invisible power which has created all the powers. The same power has created all the universe and all the living beings in the universe. This power has created many powers and power deities. And the rest of the universe is being manipulated by the rest of the world. The universe is an invisible force that destroys everything. This power has created the universe, and this power is running all the universe, and this power is going to destroy the entire universe. The invisible force of the universe is increasing the brightness of the moon little by little every day. So the human intellect is intensifying and the man is making new discoveries every day. He is making progress. This power is increasing the brightness of the moon every day. This power is invisibly increasing inflation, Population is increasing. Humans are cutting down trees. Human intelligence, morality is being destroyed. Man is inventing and creating great weapons. And because of these weapons, man is destroying himself. This is because the moon is getting brighter and brighter every day. Ultimately, this force is destructive for the entire universe, suddenly creating huge volcanoes, earthquakes, world wars, catastrophes, hurricanes, famines, as well as sudden catastrophic diseases and balancing the universe. As the brightness of the moon increases every day, all living things in the universe increase, suddenly destroying the crop in the field by creating new diseases in the field. The water in the well suddenly dries to the other side and dries the well and destroys the water in the well. Unseen forces in the universe are suddenly destroying the life of Earth by causing millions of death and horrific accidents. First of all, the whole universe was completely free on all four sides. There was no atmosphere of any kind in the whole universe, just like there was no darkness or no light anywhere. When the universe was completely free, the invisible force created the atmosphere invisibly. The whole universe was covered by our atmosphere. The atmosphere in the whole universe is the universe invisible force. While this force became the atmosphere of the universe and became invisible, the cosmic invisible force took the form of light in the atmosphere, and that flame continued to travel throughout the universe. For some time, after some time, that light took the form of a woman in atmosphere. The tiger is the body of female animal with a human body below the waist. The face of the invisible force of the universe is round. They have a forehead similar to ours, with a large round eye in the center of the forehead. They have sharp eyes and eyebrows. They have eyebrows and eyebrows over their eyes. They have a nose like an elephant's trunk. They have an elephant like mouth under the nose. They have elephant like lips. They have teeth and tongue like their mouth. They can talk like you. There are also two large tooth cones protruding. They have two big ears like an elephant. They have big, loose hair down to their waist like women have on the head. They have two big bull like horns on their head. They have a face on their shoulders. They do not have a neck. Women have two arms on the chest, two such beams under the abdomen. They have two hands like ours. The palm of the right hand has 5 fingers like yours, and the fingernails are as big as sword. The palm of the left hand has tiger claws, not fingers, and the claws are as big as a sword. The body below the waist is the body of tiger female. They walk on two legs like us. On their backs are two large wings, like the wings of an eagle. His body is tall, his complexion is black, his face is very calm. In his right hand is the Swayambhu Sudarshan Chakra, the weapon, and the work done in the mind by the universe invisible force is being done invisibly by the weapon Sabri Vidya. The eagle is the vehicle of the invisible force of the universe. Immediately after the cosmic invisible force took on a feminine form in the atmosphere, it took on the form of light. From the light of the cosmic invisible force, another flame was created, and that light immediately took on feminine form. After which the cosmic invisible force merged into the original flame atmosphere. Thanks a lot. In the next episode,
From the light of the invisible power of the universe, the flame of force called the universe ninth Shakti has been created. They have 9 eyes on their face, and there are 9 major powers. The brightness of the color of each force is different, and the brightness, light rays of that color emanate from each of their eyes. The universe is manifested as a force consisting of 9 major faces. The upper body is the female human body. From the waist up of the universe, 9 Tej Shakti. The lower body part from the waist is the body of donkey female. His face is round and he has a forehead like ours. He has 3 eyes on his forehead. From the right eye on his forehead, the bright red rays of the invisible power of the universe are coming out.
ॐ श्रीनाथ भस्कोबानाथ श्रीराजा भावनाथ प्रत्यक्ष येऊनी अवतारात श्रीराजा भावनाथांचे गुरु श्रीनाथ भस्कोबानाथ दिव्यत्व एक शक्तीश्वर श्री राजा भावनाथ श्रीनाथ भस्कोबानाथ तिन्ही एक संकट व विचार करुनी 33 कोटी देवतांचा गुरु श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भावनाथांचा प्रत्यक्ष अरण्येश्वर दरबार भावभक्ती व येणारे त्यांचा गुरु व श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भावनाथ 1000 पदव्या घेऊन पदवीत नाव श्री राजा भावनाथ शिव शंभो श्री राजा रामेश्वर पृथ्वी संकट आत्मलिंग गुरु पौर्णिमा दिवशी आत्मलिंग बोलावलेली त्यांचा गुरु श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भावनाथेश्वर 12 ज्योतिर्लिंगेश्वर 12 ज्योतिर्लिंग शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर नवनाथ प्रकाश ह्या काळात घडलेला नवनाथांमधला श्री राजा भावनाथ ओम नमः शिवाय श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भावनाथ श्रीनाथ भस्कोबानाथ आई जोगेश्वरी कान्हुबाईश्वरी श्री काळभैरवनाथ तात्या महाराज पुण्येश्वरी दरबार येऊनी ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भावनाथ 33 कोटी व ब्रह्मांड पदवीचे श्रीराजा भाऊनाथ श्रीराजा भाऊनाथ श्रीराजा भाऊनाथ
Please subscribe your favorite channel, Hindu Dharma Brahmandapadi Shri. Like and share our videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon button to receive notifications of our latest videos.